Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
In this video, we are going to provide you TANCET vs MAT exam analysis. As you all know, TANCET exam is conducted by Annamalai University yearly once. Through this TANCET exam, you can opt your best M.B.A and M.C.A colleges by scoring a good marks in the exam. The TANCET exam pattern consists of 5 parts: business analysis, reading comprehension, verbal ability, quantitative aptitude, data sufficiency. In total, you have to attend 100 questions in 120 minutes. This exam is conducted by Annamalai University. Through the counseling, you can opt your best colleges by scoring the best score in the TANCET exam. The upcoming TANCET exam for this academic year 2023 falls on March 25th. All the best for all the TANCET taking students. And coming back, MAT exam is conducted by All India Management Association IMA, and IMA conducts times a year. IMA conducts this MAT exam 4 times a year. And for the academic year 2023 and 2024, still you have May MAT to take your examination. And the dates for the May MAT examination are yet to be announced. When compared to TANCET, MAT exam is little bit tough as it involves more questions from mathematical skills part. There are 5 sections in MAT exam: mathematical skills, language comprehension, data analysis and sufficiency, intelligence and critical reasoning, Indian and global environment. From all these 5 topics, you'll get 40 questions each, and in total you have to attend 200 questions in 150 minutes. And you should note that there is no sectional time limit for MAT exam. And you have to attend all the 200 questions in 150 minutes. That is the target. All the best for aspiring for the upcoming May MAT as well as TANCET examination. A golden opportunity for all the Coimbatore region students. FIREBIRD Institute of Research and Management is organizing a free one-day class in Coimbatore on March 19th Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Don't forget to join this free class. If you want to register for this free class, register through the link provided in the description box. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.